I and my family, we are here to build up our Christmas tree. So watch us as we do it together as one family. Okay. What's this? Mm-hmm.
Now we have one piece.
This is the other one. Yeah. Okay. So we are standing the tree up here.
The stove.
Then
Here.
we so now we are spreading the tree. So this is how we spread it. Listen, we spread it. Then we take the other one and chop here. Okay, so we can spread. Lisa, yeah, we're not sure. Sorry.
Hey.
Sorry. Sorry. Vicky, it's he's okay, he's alright.
Okay. So now we are putting the balls inside the Christmas tree, as you can see.
Lisa, tell them your owner.
This is mine.
Okay, so let's start fixing the ball. Okay, where do we start from?
This one. We'll start from this one first. Okay. I want.
From that one.
Yep. And we'll put it here. Now, okay. There's one in my house.
Open that one, Ayora.
Okay.
It's
Kin.
yeah. Good times.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Come bring us a figgy pudding. Come bring us a figgy pudding. Come bring us a figgy pudding and bring it like dear. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings with you, to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And a present with you, and a present with me, and every family with presents.
Wow. So guys, we are fixing the bulb already, as you can see. So this is how we are fixing the bulb, one step after the other. So here we go. Our Christmas tree is going gradually. It's going gradually.
We
are finally done, so let's on it.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year to come. We love you. Hey! Aliora, I want to sing it in Dutch.
Yes. Okay, now we'll sing it again, but this time in another language. Wir wünschen dir ein fröhliches Weihnachten. Wir wünschen dir ein frohes Weihnachten. Wir wünschen dir ein fröhliches Weihnachten und ein glückliches neue Jahr. First song that I sang now is in German language. So we love you. We love you. Celebrate your happy Christmas.
Prosperous New Year.
We love you.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
And create your own Christmas.
Love you.
Love you.